Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today.
In this video, I'm going to explain the project. So, I totally use 13 scenes. So, I will explain one by one. So, in the first scene, I just used only one layer. So, just import the audio. So, which is done by File, Import, and we can directly use two ways. Import to stage or import to library. So import to stage means we can import the image, audio or video, anything else we can import directly to the stage. This is called stage, and we can use import to library also. So if we use this option means the imported image or audio which is directly placed here. This is the library. So this way I used to import the audio. And the second scene, loading. Yeah. So in the second scene, I use only one layer, and I just use the timeline up to 135. So here I just used only the create motion queue. I just draw the background and I just use the create motion queen alone. So this is what I done in the second scene. And let's go to the third scene. So here also I use only one layer and the timeline is I used up to 165. Same here, I just use the create motion queen alone. So fourth scene, I just use two layers. The first one is background and the second layer is for text and stages. And the fifth scene, first layer is for background and the second layer is for the GIF. So here I use the create motion queen, and here I use the frame by frame animations. I hope you will see. Here you can see the changes, frame by frame animations, and again here I use the create motion queen and again the frame by frame animations. So next, sixth scene. So totally use 4 layers. The first layer is for the background and the second layer is for the trees. So this is for the horse and this is for the text. So in the trees layer, I just use the create motion queen. I just use the create motion queen. This alone. I'm not moving the horse. I'm just moving the background alone. In the seventh scene, I use 3 layers, one for text, another one for horse side, and third one is for background. So mostly I use the create motion queen. So an 8th scene. So here I use the timeline up to 425 and I use 6 layers. So one for background, another one for text, and another 4 layers for the water drops. So I will show you. So this layer for the text. So next move to the scene 9. It takes time to load. Please hold on. Yeah. So I just 50%. So here I use 3 layers, one for background, another one for water drops and water drops. So when I select the layers, I can see the water drops and the text. So one layer for the text. The 10th layer, I use 5 layers and timeline up to 525. So one for background and 3 for text and one for chess. So here only 2 layers, one for text and another one for background. So we can use any number of layers and any number of timelines. So here I just use 545. So 12th scene, I just use the timeline effect transition. So I already put the video for exclusive for the timeline effects. If you refer these links, you can easily understand. So on the final scene, I just concluded with the final slide. So let's run the movie. So we use 10 plus scenes, so it will take some more times. I already uploaded the videos. If you refer the video means you can understand the story. So it will take a couple of minutes. The loading time is based on the layers, timelines and the scenes which is used by our project. Description link